Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. My name is Isra. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious hot chocolate drink, which is also an aphrodisiac, and pretty much all the ingredients here are going to help in increasing libido. Especially when you drink it with intention, it's going to really amplify the effects of it. First, we're starting off with some blue lotus. I'm going to place a link to the blue lotus and rose powder down below. Another ingredient here is cinnamon. Cinnamon is loaded with antioxidants, it's anti-inflammatory, and it's also very warming. And it contains manganese and calcium, which makes it an aphrodisiac. Rose powder also helps in balancing sex hormones and decreasing stress and anxiety. And I have a tiny bit of cayenne pepper here, which helps in increasing blood circulation. And the star of the show here is the cacao powder, Ceremonial grade cacao, which is different from regular cacao powder, where it contains cacao butter, and it's grown with integrity, where the farmers are paid a fair wage, and it's not exposed to high heat. That preserves the many nutrients, the antioxidants, the B vitamins, magnesium, zinc, iron, and much more within the cacao. And it helps with elevating mood. So it contains something called anandamide, which is a bliss molecule, PEA, which is said to be a love molecule, and it is great in increasing your creativity, connecting you, to your heart, and connecting you to other people as well. Maca powder is great for reducing stress in the body. It is an adaptogen and helps with increasing libido as well. So combine all the ingredients in a blender and then add some of the blue lotus tea as well as some hot water, maple syrup, or any other sweetener like vanilla, honey, or coconut sugar. And then pour your drink into your favorite mug, and it's now ready to drink. Something that I like to do before drinking cacao is to connect to an intention or just simply be present. And you can place the intention of maybe being present more in your heart, connecting to the energy of gratitude, maybe creating more, manifesting more of what you desire, or just focusing on the energy of love, loving myself even more. So whatever the intention is, this is a perfect way to do it because you're infusing that intention into what you are going to drink. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any sort of questions, feel free to place them down below, and I will see you very, very soon.